Okay, in this video we're going to go through the product rule of differentiation. Now, product rule is when we have to differentiate a product of two functions or a multiple of two functions. So let's say we have y equals to u v. So u is one function and v is the other function. Okay, so there's a formula. I'm not going to go through the proof of the formula here. I just want you to learn how to do it and how to use it. So dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Now this is the formula for product rule. So basically we have the product of two functions uv, so the derivative is equal to u times the derivative of v with respect to x plus v times the derivative of du dx. Okay, so you hold u, you differentiate v, and then you add, you hold v and you differentiate u, and that's it. So let's do an example and see how it works. Okay, so let's see if we have y equals x squared sine x. So let u equals to x squared, so du dx equals to 2x, and v equals to sine x, and dv dx equals to cos x. Okay, so I kind of differentiated each function on its own. So let's go through this. So y equals to x squared times sine x. So x squared is your first function, sine x is the second function, so let u equals to x squared, so derivative of u is 2x. Let v equals to sine x, so derivative of sine x is cos x. So now let's use the formula. So dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. I just write that down so that I don't go wrong with the substitution. So u is same as x squared, so that would be x squared, and then dv dx is cos x, so x squared cos x plus v du, so v times that, so that means 2x sine x. So that's the answer. Or you could factorize this, you could take x out of the bracket, so that becomes x cos x plus 2 sine x. That is the final answer. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and I'll do a couple more examples just to show you that you can do many versions of this. Okay, so that's one example. So let's try and do one more example down here. So let's say we have y equals e to the x tan x. So e to the x tan x. So let u equals to e to the x, so du dx equals to e to the x itself, and v equals to tan x, so dv dx equals to sec squared x. Okay, so the derivative dy dx equals, so u dv dx, which is e to the x sec squared x, plus v du dx, so that's e to the x tan x, so that's same as e to the x bracket sec squared x plus tan x, and that's the answer. So that is your product rule, and I hope that's clear. Let's do a couple more examples just to clear up a few more doubts you may have. Okay, so I think what's important to do is when you're doing a product rule question, just make sure you use substitutions, resubstitutions, just make sure they're very clear, because if they're not clear and clearly written, then the examiner could be confused himself. So it's always good to present your questions very well so the reader can mark the question quite easily. Okay, so let's just do a couple more examples. Okay, so let's see. We have y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1 and cos x. Okay. Okay, so same kind of thing. So let u equals to one function. It doesn't matter which one is u, which one is v, because at the end of the day it's a multiple. So du dx equals to 2x plus 2, and v equals to cos x. So dv dx equals to minus sin x. So now dy dx equals, so u dv dx, so that means minus sin x times all that, so minus sin x bracket x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then v du, so this times that, so that means cos x times 2x plus 2, and that's your answer. That's the derivative of that function there. Basically these two functions multiplied together, you can see. Okay, so I'll do one more example. I hope the writing is clear for you to read. Okay, I'll do one more example with the log function. This is going to be a little bit interesting, because this will simplify a little bit more than the previous examples. So you have y equals x ln x. Okay, so let u equals to x, so du dx equals to 1. Let v equals to ln x, so dv dx equals to 1 over x. Now dy dx is equal to u dv dx, so that means x times 1 over x times 1 times ln x, 1 times ln x. So this x and this x cancels, it becomes 1 plus ln x, and that is the derivative of x ln x. Okay, so I hope it's clear. That's product rule for you, and keep practicing. You can make any questions, any sort of question, and practice. I'll write some questions for you to practice it. So let's do sin x cos x, y equals e to the x ln x, y equals ln x cos x, y equals cos x tan x. Okay, actually this you can simplify as you see, because you can only change that. Let's do cos x e to the x, and y equals e to the x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so you can practice these questions and see if you can do, you can't see the top questions. What I wrote there was sin x cos x. Okay, so you can keep practicing and let me know how you got on. I hope that helps with product rule.